Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, for some of us that are trying to hit 4,000 watch hours on our YouTube channel, now you don't need a million views to do that. All you need is the right average watch time. And then in this video, I'm going to show you the simple math in just 60 seconds. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to convert the 4,000 watch hours to minutes. All right, remember that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and then for us to have 4,000 hours in minutes, we are going to do 4,000 times 60. All right, so and then 4,000 times 60 will give us 240,000 minutes. All right, so that means that we need 240,000 minutes to get our account monetized. And then I'm going to tell us how to do that. I'm going to give us a formula. And if we follow that formula very well, we are going to get our account monetized with just a video. All right, with just one video, we can get these 240,000 minutes. So the formula now, all right, the formula. Now, the total minutes watched on a particular video is the product of the views from here. You can see from the diagram, is the product of the views and the average view duration. All right, so I will just say that the total minutes on a video is the view on that video, the views, multiply by the average. Okay, let me write that in full. Average view duration. Okay, and then for you to have a reasonable average view duration, your video must be long enough. Okay, what I mean is this. If you post a video of about 20 minutes, you should expect the average view duration about 10 minutes, and that's what average is. But some of us, if we post a video of 10 minutes, we can have average view of 2 minutes. It depends. So you need to know the average view duration of each of your video in minutes. All right, so now how can you get your account monetized with just a video? I'm going to place this in 3 different scenarios. All right, 3 possible scenarios. I will say the 3 scenarios. All right, now the first one, I will say the first scenario now. All right, so let's assume that you post a video and you're able to get 20,000 views. All right, so I will say the views on that video is 20,000, and let's assume that the average view duration on that video is 12 minutes. Okay, all right, what it means is, let's assume you post a video of 25 minutes or 30 minutes, and you are able to get average view duration of 12 minutes. Now, if you get just 20,000 views on that video, let's see if you are going to get your account monetized. Right, remember the formula I gave you, that for you to have the 240,000 minutes, you multiply the views by the average view duration. All right, so what's the view from this scenario? We have it to be 20,000. So 20,000 multiplied by the average view is 12 minutes. All right, so 20,000 times 12 will give us exactly 240,000 minutes. Okay, so that means that with just 20,000 views, you can get your account monetized. Okay, don't forget your average view matters. Now let's look at another scenario. We have 2 other scenarios. So I will name this the second scenario. Okay, and then in this place, you have the views on that video to be 10,000. Okay, it's very low compared to the first one where we have 20,000 views. But then the average view duration on this video is longer. Let's have it to be 24 minutes. Okay, so let's assume that this video is 30 minutes, or let's assume the video is 50 minutes, and then the average view duration on that video is 24 minutes. Obviously some people will not watch the video to the end. And then let's see if you can get your account monetized, or you can hit the 4,000 watch hour with this. Don't remember that the views multiplied by the average view duration will give you the watch hour time. And then the view here is 10,000. So we have 10,000 multiplied by 24 minutes. All right. And this will also give us exactly 240,000 minutes. All right. So that means that if you have a video that gives 10,000 view and you're able to get average view duration of about 24 minutes, you will get your account monetized. And then let's look at the last scenario. Okay, so this last scenario, you have more views or you have less average view duration. So let's see the possible way to get your account monetized. All right, so I will say this is the third scenario. Okay, so in this scenario, you have your views to be 40,000. Okay, and then the average view duration on this video is just 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes is very low, but then you're able to get higher views. All right, so let's see the views now. You multiply it by the average view duration. Okay, so we have 40,000 views. The average view duration is 6. 40,000 times 6 will give us 240,000 minutes, which is also equivalent to 4,000 watch hour. So now if you're able to get a video of, let's say, 12 minutes or 15 minutes, and you get average view duration of 6 minutes, if you can get 40,000 views on that video, you will get your account monetized. So you can see that with just a video, you can get your account monetized. Now, the real lesson is this. The goal is not just views. Okay, so the goal is the minutes per views. The goal is the minutes per view. That is why, okay, it is always encouraged to post long form video. Okay, video of 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If you are trying to get your account monetized, you can go live. So the longer the time, the higher the possibility of getting your account monetized with just a few views. All right, so now do not chase views. What you need to chase is the minutes. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. Now, comment your average view duration, and I will tell you exactly how many views you need to hit 4,000 watch hour. You can do that on the comment section. All right, guys, so see you in my next video.